Hello. In the last class, we were talking about different errors, exception handling, and how you can handle all the exceptions, right? Today, right now, over here, let's do something. We have also discussed about try, except, else, and finally, right? So, these are the four different blocks where what we had a talk about. Now, definitely you also know how to raise an exception. The things which you should remember is that uh, not to use the exception with the exception statement. That means if already you are raising some kind of an exception, why do you need an extra line for that? Okay, you can make the code definitely much more readable. I know you would be able to do now. There is also one more thing that you should know is about file module. Okay, if you do not have a file and you are trying to open that, it will basically give you an error. So what do I mean by that is basically, let's say I'll try. Let's open op open o uh, ope. Okay, now what do you need to open? You basically need to open a file. Let's say uh, text. Okay, definitely this is not there, right? So you also need in which mode. There are three different kinds of mode which is already present in that is read, write, append. Okay, these are the main three. Definitely you can write and read together, you can write and append together, you can do anything, but these are the three main things, and then they are just the permutation and combinations of those three mostly. All right, so let's take text is txt as an extension, and let's use it as r, that is read. Okay, this is what you need to try. Now if this doesn't execute, so I'll accept an exception over here. Okay, now if I accept an exception over here, I need to write down the name. So if the file is not there, that means there is some issue with this module. Okay, that is IO. So if that is the case, I'll write down print, and I'll print file not present. All right, and then definitely if you're opening a file, you definitely need to close it, but before that I'll add an else statement. What does this else statement do? This else statement basically will print um, file not uh, found. Okay, let me just uh, quickly run this. Oh yes, this will give me an error because of this. All right. Okay, so have a look. Input an it's the above one. Okay, let's input a number over here and just next file not present. It's directly, if the file would have been present, it would have shown the values over here. Okay, IO error, input output error basically is for if the file is not present over there, and still we need to work with that. And maybe I'm writing down the wrong name. It can be really anything. Okay, so just try it out, whatever is there in front of you, whenever you're free, or take out time if you're not free. All right, because this is something which is really great. All right, now you can raise exceptions as well. I guess I told you, you can raise a value error, you can raise any other error if you want. You can also create your custom um, exceptions while working on the code. Okay, so these are few stuff which you should know regarding this. All right, now that's it for this video. Let's meet in the next video and work on few different uh, new stuff. Okay, so till then, have a good day.